Okay, so Apple Macbook eBay return. Let's see what the score is. That item. Okay. So I'm not happy with the packaging, to be quite honest with you. Ours was better than that, so it couldn't really move around. Okay, when I actually shipped it, it had a protective cover on there as well, which I think was in the photograph, which is obviously no longer on it. Just obviously start off by pressing the on button and see what happens. That is the optical drive. This is the power supply. So cover hasn't been returned, so the return isn't complete. I can hear the fan kicking up. Can't see no display. Okay, when I turn it upside down, you'll notice that there's feet missing on this corner. There's something quite seriously gone wrong there because you can see through to the main board. Something quite seriously gone wrong there with the foot. I don't know what's going on there with the foot as well. There's only actually one foot left intact. How many screws have we got? So we have one screw in this corner. We have no screw here. No screw here. One screw there, no screw there. Somebody's obviously been inside this. That's got a screw in it, that's got a screw in it, that has a screw, and that has a screw. Somebody's obviously been inside this. Okay, so keep the video rolling just for authenticity's sake, Nick, if you don't mind.
Yep.
Obviously, just concerned because I've been running this MacBook for 5 years. No real problems at all. And it's been reported faulty by the eBay purchaser. So, power supply does work. I can hear it powering up, but I can't see anything. Let's turn it off. And I'm going to stop the video in a second when I just explain that this MacBook was sent out with a protective cover all the way around it. It was in a box that was better wrapped than that. It didn't move around. And the most important thing from my point of view is somebody has been in this. This is not in the same condition that I sent it out. Somebody's been inside this MacBook, I would say, looking at the screws that have been undone and the missing feet, and that's not the condition it was sent in. Okay, stop the video for now.